Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. In this video, I'm going to show you guys some additional protection that I have received that was sent out to me by STARTRC for my Avata 360. So you guys can see I have some prop protectors on here. But one of the things that we're all concerned about with these drones is going to be the gimbal or the lenses. So they actually have a product that they've come out with, guys. This is the box that you're going to receive. In the box, you're going to receive a screwdriver. It does come with a number of replacement screws. These screws all look to be extremely, longer than the traditional screws. And you're going to get 2 of these guards. So these little metal guards are going to fit on the front of your drone to protect it from impact, okay? So basically what's going to happen here is you're going to replace, you're going to take out 2 screws and you're going to add this little protector right here. So that's what we're going to do here in this video. We're going to start the process. So we're going to remove the 2 screws that you guys see here, and then we're going to add the propeller guard. All right, so there's the first screw, and there's our second screw. The screwdriver is not magnetic, and then the second screw is shorter. Okay, so the way this is going to work is this is going to fit, for the most part, inside of those screw holes. All right, so we're going to get our screws out here. And like I said, we have the 2 length screws. You have the short and the long. And we're going to start with the long screw. I'm just going to drop this in like so. Set this up on top, and we're going to screw this guy down roughly halfway just to get it started. Right about there. It's a good start. All right, so we're going to take the short screw again, get that guy on there, get it started. And now I'm going to tighten these all the way down. All right, so we have the one side on. Now we're going to go to our opposite side here. I'm going to remove these 2 screws as well. Now these are the original screws. You want to apply just enough pressure to keep it feeding out without overdoing it. As soon as you get it loose enough that you can take it out, go right ahead. Do the same here. Let's go ahead and take that guy out. All right, same thing here. We're just going to line this up like so. We're going to start off with one of the longer screws. I'm just going to drop that in. Show you guys here. I'm just going to drop this screw in like so just to get it started. Line that up. And I'm going to start to tighten that guy down just a little bit, just so it doesn't wiggle around. All right, so we're good right there. Now I'm going to grab one of these shorter screws, do basically the same thing we did on the opposite side. Just going to drop that in there. And we're going to tighten that guy down as well. All right. All right, there we have it. Let's move these screws out of the way. And let me show you guys what this looks like. So as you guys can see, we still have the gimbal guard on. I can remove the gimbal guard with no issues. And you guys can see, now we have that additional protection in case something was to fly straight into the drone. As far as flight, let's throw this guy in the air and see what these look like. And I don't believe we'll be able to see these when the drone is flying because, pretty much that's what we're looking at right here. So I don't think you're going to be able to see these at all when the drone is flying in either orientation, whether you're flying it in single lens mode or, dual lens mode. I don't think you're going to be able to see those. All right, but let's take it out. Let's take it for a flight, see what we think. All right, guys, there you have it. As you guys can see, it flies no problem with these guards on. And I will check the video to see if we see any of the guards in the video, but I doubt it. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.